Hello, in this video I would like to show you how to upgrade this 10.4-inch Toshiba screen from 2CCFL lamp to our UB35 series LED kits. This UB35 series LED kit includes two LED strips to replace the lamp top and bottom, one compact small driver MS610UB, and one pigtails. Let's set aside LED kit for a second. Let me show you what the screen part number is. It's a 10.4-inch. It's made by Toshiba. The screen part number is LTA104A261F. LTA164A261F. It's a 10.4-inch. There's two lamps. Obviously, you can see there's two screws on each side that holding the reflector. So it's quite easy to, basically just unscrew it. The two screws. And then you push the wire out and basically just slides out. Let me set that aside here. Okay. So, if you look at it, this 35 series is perfectly mounted right here. You can mount it back to the reflectors. Okay, so first thing we need to remove these wires. You can just simply cut off this, it's just take it out like this. That's fine. And then remove the clips just carefully. Remove it. Let's still do this side first. Alright. There's a clip, you just push it. There we go. The other one, the same thing too. Got it. One out. So the wires come out from this side. So basically, you're gonna get the O1 measure it. Just do the alignment mount like this. So this is about. So just push 1 second at a time, and then measure the double side tip. Stick to the reflectors really well. Push a little bit harder. So you see. Okay, we do the same thing on the other one. Push this out. Yeah. Do the same thing on this side. All right, take it out. Okay. So the wire comes from this side. Same thing. Oops. Remove the double side tip covers. Yeah. Just push it right back. That's all we need to do. And then make sure the wire come out from this side, like the old one. Yep. I'll show you when I finish it. Put two screws back. So usually, you see that? Put it back like this. Oops, this one come up. Okay. Come up. Just like that. Usually I would suggest that you put a tape on it to secure the wires. So let's, just in case, oops, just put it on both sides to secure the wires. Where's my tape? Here we go. Any type of tape, it's okay. So this side too. I don't have to tape this side. So after to secure it, this one connector you for red is for the positive. You can apply anywhere between 12 to 24 volt. Black is for the ground. Okay, negative. White is for adjustment. Usually there's no connection, but yellow is very important. We call it enable. You need to apply anywhere between 3 to 5 volts. You can find all this supply voltage from your existing inverter wire harness. If you don't have enable, then you need to solder this JB5. And when the JB5 is soldered short, and all you need to do is apply positive 12 volt, negative to the ground. Okay. Thank you for watching.